Want some comfort food this weekend because it is going to be a cold one. This morning, though, we've still been dealing with some snow. This is a look from the Natural History Museum camera at University of Utah. We've got that fresh layer of snow after we had some of it coming down with some heavy showers earlier this morning, but that's let up quite a bit. We still have some coming down along and over the mountains, but most of the snow showers in the Salt Lake Valley have tapered off. Keep in mind that some of the roads are going to be a little wet, a little slushy up on the benches, but otherwise things have quieted down quite a bit across Utah, especially after some of the heavier snow showers in the central part of the state last night. But it is a cold morning, so even if you don't have to shovel or scrape some snow, grab that good jacket when you head out the door. We dropped all the way down to 20 in Evanston. It's barely above freezing in Salt Lake, where it's 33. It's several degrees above that in St. George, where it's currently 38. Now, we've got a few different weather systems still in play, keeping some snow showers going off and on before we head into the weekend. One of those is a fast-moving system crossing the north that brought the showers earlier. Now there's another system over Southern California with a lot of moisture to work with, but a third storm dropping out of the Pacific Northwest is going to merge with this. That'll bring the cold air, bring some more snow showers, which will primarily be off to the west of us in Nevada and then down into the desert southwest tomorrow. But here in Utah, as that storm approaches, we will have a chance of some snow showers, especially heading into the afternoon. Primarily over the central part of the state, there could be 1 to 3 inches in some of the valleys, a little bit more than that in the mountains. Outside of that area, we could get minor accumulations across other parts of the state. Anything in the valleys would be less than an inch, possibly just a dusting with an inch or two potentially in the mountains. Salt Lake City, 39 degrees this afternoon, so after a mild start to the week, we've dropped down below freezing by a few degrees. It'll be in the upper 20s in Park City. You'll be in the mid 30s in a lot of the central valleys, and in St. George 44. And in the far south where it'll be that warm, you might get a little rain mixed with the snow off and on, or see it change over entirely to rain at times. But by tomorrow, high pressure builds and the weekend will be looking good. Mostly sunny with the temperature still hovering in the mid 40s in the St. George in the afternoons, but in the mornings dropping down into the mid-20s. Next week, gradual warm-up all the way up into the mid to upper 50s by next Wednesday and Thursday. And in Salt Lake City, it's going to be a beautiful but cold weekend. Low to mid-20s in the mornings, mid-30s in the afternoon, but by the middle of next week, we'll make it all the way back into the mid to upper 40s.